Making money online is very interesting, but for only those who know the way out. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how you can earn the USDT, $100 USDT and very much more with this particular website, and get it every 2 hours, so we can actually withdraw again. So I'm going to be doing all the full process into this particular video right now. Do not bother about the link of this particular video. I will be sending it at the description of the video, so you go straight to the description to click on the link. But before you go into that, make sure you get all those details very well, how you are going to go about it. Clicking on this particular video is a way success for you, is a beginning of the success for you into this particular platform and into the crypto world to make money online. So right now, without wasting much of our time, let's move straight into the video for today. So once you open this particular platform just like this, you are going to register. So there will be a link at the description. So once you register, you'll be able to access this particular platform just like this. So right now you'll be able to access it just like this. So let me go to mine. I'm going to be seeing something right here. So you can see you are going to input your username. You can see this is Ipyong. This is our name right there. So let's go how to make money on this particular platform. So I'll be explaining to you how to withdraw, how to deposit, and how to make the trading. So the first thing you need to know is how to deposit on the particular platform. So the process of depositing and how you're going to deposit to make more money on this platform, I'm actually going to be showing those links and those pictures and every other stuff on the Telegram channel. So the link for the Telegram channel also will be at the description, which is actually the Telegram channel right here. It's actually the Telegram channel. So the link to join, you can also search it on your Telegram APM plug group. So come right here and click on it. So we are going to be seeing all these directly right there. So coming back to how to withdraw to this particular platform and how to recharge rather. So all you need to come right here is come to this me part. So after you come to this me part, then you click on recharge right here. So after you click on recharge, very easy, just as if you are sending USDT to a wallet. So you come to this side, then you actually copy this contract address, which is for the withdrawal, and also you can actually make a scan right here. You can actually do the scanning section, and the minimum withdrawal you can actually withdraw into this particular platform is actually to recharge rather is actually 9 USDT. So basically about 10 USDT. So let's just make it 10 USDT. And how are you going to be getting, what income are you going to be getting from the 10 USDT right here? So I'm going to explain to you also. So the income you're going to be getting from the 10 USDT, the link also is going to be at the description. So go to the Telegram channel. We are going to interact right here. All the graphics and every other stuff are there. So let me show you how to trade on this particular platform right now. So to trade on this, all you need to do is to come right here and you click on immediate competition of order. So right here, all you're going to be clicking is this. So the higher you actually deposit, the higher you are going to be earning. So right now I make a deposit of $10 for the tutorial, 10 USDT rather for the tutorial. So right now you are going to be coming here every 2 hours to claim this. So all I need to do is to click on here, and this is going to be searching for me automatically. It's going to bring an order for me. So yes, it already brought an order for me. So right now the order it brought for me, this is his. So I'm going to subtract this particular from this 190 from 188.76. so that is actually going to be my income into this. So then I will click on sell. So once I click on sell, it's going to load in the transaction right now, and you are going to, so it's already confirmed. So this is the profit I'm going to be making for this 4 sell. That I'm using 4 to trade, and I'll be getting 0.0212 in the next 2 hours. So I click on confirm right here. So you can see I'm still having a balance of $6 right now, so I can actually input again. So you can do this as many as possible, at about 12 times in a day, like 12 times at a time rather, 12 times at a time. They depend on the amount you actually have on this particular platform. And also you come back every 2 hours. After the 2 hours, your main reward, sorry about that, your main reward and also your total income, your total deposit is going to be showing directly here again. I can actually use it to trade again. So right now I'm going to click on this again, and let's make it the second time also. So I'm going to wait for it to pop up. Yeah, you can see it popping up again. So I have about $3 key to trade again. So I'm going to click on sell again. So after clicking on sell, it's going to make the same thing, confirmation. And right now, yeah, I'm earning this particular amount of. So that is basically how it's going to be doing. So you need to have at least 5. You need to have at least, because I can't make the next order because I'm not having up to 5 right now for the tutorial. So right now, this is basically how this is going to be happening right there. So this is just a tutorial video right now to make money on this particular platform. And to withdraw, if you want to make a withdrawal, all you need to do is come back to this particular site, which is the mine. Then you click on withdraw. So after you click on withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is $5, like 5 USDT. So all you need to do is fill all these particular details, input your password, input your PIN. And remember, this particular platform is still 100% legit at the time of making particular video. So all you need to do is to make sure you are actually investing wisely and do not be greedy. Invest the particular money you can actually afford. Thanks so much for watching, and do not forget to join the Telegram channel at the description, and also the link to any other thing I'm going to be doing for this particular platform will be at the description. And join the Telegram, so everything will be at the Telegram channel. Let me show you the Telegram channel once again, and this is basically how the Telegram channel was. So to read all this particular chat freely, you can actually get it directly on the Telegram channel. So thanks so much for watching, and I love you all guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.